The 8BitDo Ultimate 2 4G can connect to your Mac in two ways, using the included 2.4 GHz USB receiver or through Bluetooth. Both methods work on macOS 13.2 and newer. For the 2.4 GHz wireless receiver method, start by switching the controller to D input mode. You can usually do this by holding B plus home or sometimes X plus home, depending on firmware. Then plug the USB receiver into your Mac. In most cases, macOS will detect it automatically as a generic controller. If it doesn't show up correctly, you may need to configure it using the SDL Gamepad tool. This tool lets you create a custom controller mapping so macOS recognizes all inputs properly. After creating a mapping, you may need to set it as an environment variable so games can read it correctly. For Bluetooth, switch the controller into pairing mode, usually by holding the pairing button until the LED flashes. Then go to System Settings Bluetooth on your Mac and select the controller from the device list. If the controller isn't responding in games, check Steam settings. In Steam, enable Steam input for generic controllers so Steam can properly configure it. If the controller freezes, turn it off, then restart it in D input mode again. You can also reconnect the USB dongle and press Home plus B to force reconnection. Keep your firmware updated for best compatibility.